Guten Morgen, good morning. My name is Himanshu. Ich bin Himanshu, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about German subject pronouns. Before I start, I would like to tell you what are pronouns. Pronouns are those words which replace nouns. Since we are talking about subject pronouns, so here the words who will be replacing nouns, they will be the subject of the sentence. So let us start. The personal subject pronouns in German are ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, and make the equivalent of I, you, he, she, it, we, you, people, you, all, they. In English, usually they take the nominative case or subjective case since they are the subject of the sentence. German personal pronouns. First, we will talk about singular subject pronouns and then plural subject pronouns. I is ich. You as an informal is du. In Hindi it is tu. You as a formal in Hindi aap. In German sie. He, she, it. Sie, es. Coming to plural pronouns, we means wir, you all informal, ihr, you all formal, sie, they, sie. If you pay attention, here sie is used 4 times. One is for they, then for you all, then for she, then for you formal. So how to distinguish them? For you as a formal, when z is used, it is here S is in capital letter. You all formal, when Z is used, again Z, S is a capital letter. For she, when Z is used, S is small letter, and for they also it is Z, but it's in small letter. So you have to pay attention how these 4 Z are used. That's it for today. I will catch you in my next video lesson. Thank you so much.